Welcome back to my channel Artistic Chinuk, where we are learning the complete IS2QB Foundation Level New Syllabus 2020. Please subscribe this channel if not subscribed yet. Click on the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. In our previous video, we have learned about how testing contributes in success, and now in this video we will learn about quality assurance and testing. Most of us thinks that quality assurance, which is also known as QA, and quality control, also termed as QC, are both similar to each other. But QA and QC both are related to each other. Let's understand this now by looking at the broader category which keeps these two terms related. Quality management is a group of processes which includes all the activities that direct and control an organization with regards to quality, and can be divided into two major categories. Those are quality assurance, that is QA, and second is quality control, that is QC. Let us discuss each term one by one. Quality assurance, QA. QA includes the comparison of actual ongoing progress with the planned progress during a project life cycle by using some test monitoring metrics which were defined during test planning. Quality assurance focuses on adherence to the proper processes by which the required or appropriate levels of quality can be achieved. Also, by this, the confidence for the same also gets increased. These processes are defined in the test planning phase of STLC. When processes are carried out properly, the work products created by those processes becomes of higher quality. This contributes to achieve the test objectives, that is defect prevention. In addition, the use of root cause analysis to detect and remove the causes of defects, along with the proper application of the findings of retrospective meetings to improve processes, are important for effective quality assurance. Now we'll talk about quality control. Quality control involves various activities, including test activities, that support the achievement of appropriate levels of quality. The overall software development or maintenance process, QC, includes the actions needs to take for meeting the objectives of the test plan. Here we have completed this tutorial, and now you must be able to answer what is quality management, what is quality assurance, what is quality control. In our next video of this series, we will discuss about the topic errors, defects and failures. See you there. If you are learning from this tutorial, give it a like. Thank you for learning with me, and keep learning more and more.